Okay, so what we got here is I believe, an Aloha Breeze 30-inch fan. Got this off Marketplace for $10. Blades were painted purple, which you can see on the other side, kind of. I only painted one side, but yeah. Really like this fan. It's one of my first small little fans. And yeah, and there's the Income Princess, which is the same size. Really like these fans. I think they're pretty cool. Here's the light. The light chain was originally broken, so I had to replace it. But yep. And we're gonna start off on low speed. There's the Hunter Brighton. And then over here I have a classic style, Middleton, and the tack tongue. And this is the fan shelf. Yeah. Pretty nice fan. Has pretty decent low speed for a fan this size. And here's medium. It is pretty close to the door, which almost hits the globe. Yep. And there's high speed. Pretty fast. Really like it. It's moving a pretty good amount of air. Here's the light. And we're gonna turn that off. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.